Hi, I am Akash Goyal, a student of FITGI Jaipur Center. I came to know about FITGI in class 8 through FTRE. Initially, I joined for my NTSC Stage 2 preparations, but later joined for IITJ preparation. I joined Supreme 4-year integrated school program because that enabled me free time for self-studies in evening and also helped me cope up with my studies at school. My fascination with technology motivated me and inspired me to pursue engineering as my career. The teaching at FITGI was phenomenal and very high above my expectations. It was very different from what I experienced at school. Teachers come up with new innovative methods to teach concepts and also leave no stone unturned to clear my doubts. The environment at FITGI was very healthy and competitive. With my peers, I used to discuss many problems and come up with new innovative solutions. If anyone found a new question or method, we used to discuss it among others, and if we could not crack a question, we used to ask teachers. We used to challenge each other to solve a problem in a given time frame and also come first in the weekly test. A huge advantage was small batch size. Small batch size was very beneficial to us. Teacher used to give personalized attention to each student and knew what difficulty he or she faced in a particular topic. If we could not grasp a particular concept, we used to ask teacher and he would happily revise again teach the same concept so that we could clear our backlogs and face no conceptual problems. One of the most important things during one's JEE preparation is mock tests. Monthly tests, phase tests and AI tests helped me find my weaknesses in chapters, and doubt clearance sessions helped me rectify them. This boosted my confidence, and it was this confidence that helped me enabled me crack NTSC, Olympiads, KPY and various other competitive exams. FITGI's EITS played a very crucial role in my JEE preparations. These tests improved my speed, accuracy, time management skills and examination temperament. The simulating environment provided by these tests gave me my national standing among all the aspirants. FITGI's JMP provided the ultimate finish that one aspirant desires. FITGI's RTPF comprised of test papers that enabled me practice at home according to the current JEE pattern. In the last 2 months, concept strengthening tests were conducted that comprised of very mind-boggling questions, and that enabled me to improve my speed, accuracy and built up the examination temperament required for JEE. In the end, I would like to thank my parents and faculties at FITGI Jaipur Center that constantly motivated me throughout my preparation to achieve a good rank in JEE Advanced and helped me pursue my dream of studying engineering in one of the top colleges in India.